Hey guys, welcome back to Naturally. Today we will enjoy 10 minutes of the most shocking and breathtaking nature moments caught on camera. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe for more amazing content. Let's get started. First clip, we have a magnificent glacier that is slowly crumbling apart. Glaciers are massive bodies of slowly moving ice. These form on land, and they are made up of fallen snow that gets compressed into ice over many centuries. They move slowly downward from the pull of gravity. Most of the world's glaciers exist in the polar regions, in areas like Greenland, the Canadian Arctic, and Antarctica. Glaciers can also be found closer to the equator in some mountain regions. For example, the Andes mountain range in South America contains some of the world's largest tropical glaciers. Also, fun fact, about 2% of all the water on Earth is frozen in glaciers. Next clip, we have a flood scenario caught on camera on Asia. 90% of all natural disasters often include flooding. Floods can bring walls of water of up to 20 feet or higher. Just imagine 1 inch of flood can actually cost $27,000 in damage to your home. If you live in a 100-year floodplain, there's more than 25% chance that it will be flooded during a 30-year mortgage. This next video, we can witness how lava aggressively engulfs literally anything that steps on its way. Lava is hot, liquefied rock that flows from a volcano or other opening in the surface of Earth. When the liquid rock is still underground, it's known as magma. Igneous rock is formed when lava cools and hardens. Fun fact, did you know that fresh lava is extremely hot? It could reach temperatures as high as 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the equivalent of 1,200 degrees Celsius. Some lavas are liquid enough to flow downhill at 35 miles per hour, which equates to 55 kilometers per hour. That's just crazy, man. Run for your life. Ah yes, another nature-certified classic. Big boats surfing big waves in God knows what lost random location of the Atlantic Ocean. As a protagonist, we have motor vessel Columbus, which was quite successfully facing these menacing titanic waves just a few hundred kilometers away from France. Check it out. Now we move onwards for some Arizona flash floodings. Honestly, this could catch anyone off guard. These natural phenomenons are quite dangerous, since as you can tell in the footage, there's barely any previous warning. Out of nowhere, a huge mass of water, mud, and vegetation will vigorously flow at insane rapid speeds. From flash floodings, we move to sinkholes. These are truly terrific. I wouldn't want to imagine myself being caught in one of these. Where do you go once you get swallowed by metric tons of dirt? Not really willing to find out. Who doesn't love geysers? These are hot springs which shoot water and steam at super crazy speeds. They erupt when pressure has been built up, often at regular intervals. There are about 1,000 geysers around the world, and about half of them are located in Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, United States. Have you ever wondered how land was ever made? Well, keep your eyes wide open, since you're witnessing the birth of an island right now. These can take millions of years to form. You're quite literally witnessing history in the making. Oceanic islands, also known as volcanic islands, are formed by eruptions of volcanoes on the ocean floor. As volcanoes erupt, they build up layers of lava that may eventually break the water surface. When the tops of the volcanoes appear above the water, an island is formed. Volcanic islands can form in two ways. One of those is when the tectonic plates move apart from each other, and so the hot magma rises. Another cause of volcanic islands are actually from the so-called hotspots located at specific areas around the globe. These hotspots are characterized by, as the name clearly says it, they contain rather hotter magma than usual below the Earth's crust. This hot magma continuously punches through the Earth's crust, encountering later on cold oceans and so cooling down, forming continuously throughout time series of chained islands. Hawaiian Islands or the Canary Islands are a great example of this natural phenomenon. Did you know that lightning travels at the speed of light? About 186,000 miles per second. Also, the average temperature of lightning is around 20,000 degrees Celsius. That's equivalent to 36,000 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm pretty sure you don't want to touch one of those. Here we can observe the effects of the 2011 Japan earthquake on the city center buildings. It's impressive how the adapted architecture of these enable them to be flexible and so avoid shattering down when the earth shivers. Have you ever seen the Northern Lights? They dance high above our heads when the sky is dark and draw many thousands of tourists to Norway. They are formed where the solar wind reaches the Earth. It causes a distortion in the magnetic field. Most of the charged particles are deflected away, but some make it into the atmosphere close to the two magnetic poles. This collision of the charged particles and the gases in our atmosphere causes the light, which is a release of photon energy. Last but not least, we have an avalanche that took place in a Nepal camp. Avalanches can travel up to 90 kilometers per hour. After 1 hour, only 1 in 3 victims buried in an avalanche are found alive. The most common cause of death are suffocation, wounds, and hypothermia. Keep yourself safe. As always, guys, thank you so much for spending your time watching our videos. We truly appreciate it. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more interesting content. And as always, wish you a wonderful day.